Hey guys, Richard here with etrike Pro. Today we want to share with you our new cargo rack made for e-trikes. You know, you may have seen these cargo racks for sale. You see them going down the road where people's got them attached to their car, their truck, whatever, and they're hauling cargo and various types of things. But did you know there's nothing on the market that is designed specifically to haul electric trikes? And now we've heard all the questions, we've heard the comments where people are saying, hey, I have no way to get my electric trike down to see the grandkids. I want to take it to the park. I want to go across town, and I don't have a way to haul it because there's no trike racks on the market for that type of activity. Well, we developed something for you. So what we have here is a cargo rack that attaches to your hitch with a ramp big enough for your small to medium-sized trikes. We're using a small or a very popular trike right here. It's a folding style trike. But I tell you what, this will work with many different brands. The inside dimensions of this rack is 32 inches wide, and that's more than enough for most e-trikes. The length, however, is 65 inches from the inside here up to where the ramp is in a vertical position. So just measure your trike carefully to make sure it's going to fit. If you're looking at this and you're wanting to know if it's going to fit, you can always reach out and contact us. We'll help you figure that out. Keep in mind that your tire is going to hang over a little bit on one side. If you have a basket or a light like this, it's going to hang over just a little bit. So you got to figure out right here on your tire, about 6 inches up is where you want to measure from, going to the furthest point in the back over here. And in this case, it's going to be the rear fenders and the tail lights right here. That's our furthest point. Depending on the bike you have, the furthest point might be the basket that's hanging out there in the back. So this rack is designed to hold up to 250 pounds, so it's going to handle almost any trike that's available on the marketplace that will fit in this space right here. This is a prototype rack, so it's going to change just a little bit to the one that you purchased that's going to show up at your door, and that is we're changing the lights. We're actually going to have red lenses instead of these smoky black lenses, and the light is actually going to be a little bit bigger. So that's one change that's going to be different from our prototype to the rack that shows up at your door. Let's hop on over here. You'll see over here we have easy connection to be able to hold up this rack. We just got to pop this pin out just like that. Let that fall down. You got one on both sides. You're going to come over here. You're going to pop that out. Let that fall down. Hold on to your ramp so it doesn't fall down on you. And you go ahead and lay it down. Our ramp right here is 31 inches wide and it's about 40 inches long. So you can measure and make sure everything's going to fit for whatever it is you're trying to haul. Up here in the front, we do recommend that you use two straps. We're displaying one for us in this video, but we do recommend that you use two straps, one pulling the bike this direction and one wrapped around towards the rear, pulling the bike in that direction so it keeps the bike nice and stable. We are going to give you two of these premium ratchets right here that we designed here at etrike Pro. They're simple to use. A lot of people don't understand how to use a ratchet strap. They get hard to undo once you get them connected. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to do with this ratchet is pull up the yellow button, put it down in the lock position all the way down, hold that button, and look at that. All of this comes out. It's nice and loose now. You can easily take it off. And it self-retracts, so it winds itself back up again. We're going to provide two of those for you so that you're able to strap down whatever trike you're wanting to haul. From there, guys, you are ready to go. All you got to do is carefully unload, pull it down, steer it, making sure your rear wheels are not going to fall off the ramp. Pull it down, and you are ready to hit the trails wherever it is that you're wanting to ride. In addition to those accessories, we are going to give you a locking hitch pin, and you're going to have a stabilizer to help stabilize the rack when it's attached to your hitch so it doesn't wiggle so much. Guys, we know this is going to be really popular, okay? So we've got the first batch on order. It's in production, and it's a limited batch, right? So if you're interested in it, place your pre-order now so that you get in line to receive once we get those in.